All right, for math, for our next 4 weeks for memory work, we will be working on our math laws. And online on thewisenest.com, I found this really convenient and easy little flip book. It's a free printable. So for younger kids or all kids, this is a nice visual, a place that you can have them just glue in the laws as they're learning them each week and have them all together. Or you can even have some of the older kids maybe make their own version of it. My daughter is making her own little flip book here with some scrap paper and gel pens. She started already on the associative law this week, which is week 21's work. And as you can see, she was even able to, on the inside flap, just kind of write her self a little reminder, remember my ABCs for the associative law. So this will be a nice place that we can record the laws each week as we go, and at the end have them all together in one place that can just kind of be added to the student's math toolkit and then used also as a way for the students to quiz themselves and work independently on memorizing. As you're working on memorizing, one easy way that you can do with your students at home, if you have magnetic letters at home, for the kinesthetic learners, it's a really easy way to just have the students, again, say, associative law, remember my ABCs, and lay out their ABC equals ABC, and then have them go through and use their fingers as you're working through it. So open parenthesis plus B, close parenthesis, plus C equals A, open parenthesis, B, plus C, close parenthesis. And then you can repeat it again for multiplication, open parenthesis times B, close parenthesis, times C equals A, open parenthesis, B times C, close parenthesis. So a real quick and easy little way that you can have them just with their hands kind of be working through that and reciting it to work towards memorization. If your child is more of a musical learner, then you can also do this with chants or songs. You don't even have to use the letters. You could just have them kind of reciting through it from their flip book. A fun thing that they can do is replace the parentheses then with some type of action, maybe snapping or clapping or stomping. So it would look like this. We can go ahead and just practice it with snapping this time. So we could say, associative law, remember my ABCs, A plus B plus C equals A plus B plus C. And then again, repeat it with multiplication and then move on to things like jumping or stomping or clapping your hands or any other fun motions that they can come up with as they work towards memorizing that law. Just a side note real quick though, if your child is doing Memory Master, you want to make sure that it's fun to practice that way, but make sure that they remember to say for Memory Master, open parenthesis A plus B, close parenthesis plus C. They have to include that for Memory Master. But just a couple quick ideas, ways that you can work on these laws at home. And again, I think the flip book is just a fun place that you can kind of keep all of the laws and have your students add to it each week as they go. And at the end, they will have all their laws in one place that they can add to their math toolkit and use for their math lessons also.